Normally if a window's dropped, and you'll find that the bottom locking side of the window will be rubbing on the bottom. Now 9 times out of 10 this will probably need an engineer, because it will be, to put into practice, something that we call toe and healing. So this will mean we'll have to remove the Georgian bar and take the beads out and shuffle the glass. So unfortunately it won't be something that you'd be able to take on yourself. But another thing that you could try is, there are ever so slight adjustments on the hinges. So if you remove the 2 end screws and the middle screw, you can move the hinge along ever so slightly and then replace the screws. And this, what it does is it moves the sash, and this should give you more clearance off the bottom. But I would suggest that if this is the case, then you get in touch with us and we'll get an engineer to look at it for you.